This video provides an overview of the bomb technician mode, which is used for training bomb technicians, their commanders and support teams. ExploSim is used to develop and validate policies, practices and procedures. In bomb tech mode, the transmitter is wired to a training IED or explosive ordnance. It is important to note external switches must be 0 voltage and operate as normally open switches. The provided manual firing button can be connected to provide command detonation by exercise staff. When the switch closes due to a timer finishing, mishandling, an incomplete render safe technique, or by the provided trigger button, the transmitter will send a signal appropriate to the selected type and quantity of explosive, indicating damage to people and structures. To set up the bomb tech mode, from the home page, using the blue key, select Settings, then select 1, Mode Selection, and then select 1, Bomb Tech. Press the yellow key to access the Explosives menu to select the type and quantity of explosive as described in the earlier setup section. The training IED, training explosive ordnance, or provided firing button is wired to the external contacts on the transmitter. The switches must be 0 voltage and normally open. Once triggered, the transmitter will send the signal to the receivers, indicating the effects of the selected type and quantity of explosive. The effects on people and structures can be read on the receivers. When bomb suits or other protective equipment are worn, the readings will need to be interpreted in accordance with the type and effectiveness of the protective equipment. For example, an illuminated orange LED would typically indicate blast injury to an unprotected person. It may be considered that even though the orange LED has indicated, blast injury has not occurred. An illuminated red LED would typically indicate blast lethality to an unprotected person. However, in the case of protective equipment such as a bomb suit, while the blast may not be lethal, the technician would certainly have been damaged, at the very least as a result of being projected away from the explosive by the blast. The use of ExploSim provides, for the first time, an immediate, real-world, real-time explosive indication to bomb techs and their commanders.